Hello, and welcome to today's family program. I'm Dr. Albert Kitcher, and it's always a joy to be with you. I'm so excited that we can, have another day like this with you. And it's a beautiful week. And, every time we come to you, we have something special. Well, for those who are here for the first time, I want to welcome you. And I say you are at the right place at the right time. Well, this program is, built one on the other. So I always encourage people to go back and listen and watch the previous programs if you have not had the opportunity to watch them, so that when we are talking about things that maybe we mentioned earlier, you will not be left out. Also, I would like you to spend the next minute to invite a friend to watch together with you and like this channel. And also, if you have any questions for us, please, you can always, write us and we would definitely provide you with some answers. Here we talk about things that we need in life to make our lives very good and also meaningful. And today we're going to look at the whole thing of, having a vision and what it can really do for you. Because it takes a person with a vision to see the future. And most of the times we don't see who is coming behind us. We don't seem to see maybe the next generation. Many leaders or many people who are walking a path see themselves on the path, but they don't look at who is going to continue when I am not there. It is very, very important that we look into the future. And, most people feel, okay, and now I have a good job, so I have a future. The truth is that your future is not in the job that you do. The future is actually in the person who holds the job. So if you are not secure, your job cannot be secure. If you are not knowledgeable, your position cannot make you knowledgeable. You have to invest in yourself, invest into what will make you, a giant in the field that you are in. Every time we come here, I try to get something that would change you up. There are so many books out there. There is so much information. But what you hear from here are the practical things that we have learned through our own lives and that of others. And for you to be saved time, energy, research, we bring these things to you. So first of all, I want you to know that vision is very important for your life. And I would encourage you to watch our production on vision and what you do, with vision and how to get vision. And we're just talking about the fact that if you have a vision, then you are able to navigate your way to, a desired future. Most of the times, we also don't provide growth opportunities. So we try to handle and do everything by ourselves. But it is very important that we provide growth opportunities to everyone that is around us. And you can start from one place and end up in the whole world. So the main thing is for you to have the end in mind and start, with what you have. You don't need everything, to get things done. You need the basic, the core things. And as you build on the core, then you can add on to the core and make all things work. So it's not providing people or getting the things that you like, but it's actually getting the things that you need. So surround yourself with needful things, not likable things. Things you like always has to do with maybe the way you feel about it, the way it looks to you, and so on and so forth. But things you need are things that are a requirement without which you will never be able to maybe enjoy life or even be alive. So go for the things that you need and not the things that you like, because what you like might end up killing you, but what you need will bring you life. Also, don't think small. Small thinking, myopic thinking has brought a lot of people into stagnancy, that they don't move from where they are to where they can be because they are myopic. They are small thinkers. They don't think big. They don't think, global. They don't think, beyond the four walls of maybe their rooms. And don't be that person. Don't be in a cocoon. Be a person who steps out, a person who wants to see the world, a person who increases his knowledge. Buy some books, read them, make some notes and begin to use those words and things that you learn in your daily life, and you will see the difference, how, it would increase your capacity and also your confidence. Also, there is always a price for what we do. It's good for you to find the price and then you go for it. I was talking to someone recently and I needed something from him. So my interest was in how much does it cost? And he was telling me, so much about the stuff. And I'm like, wait a second, I want to know how much it costs. And when they told me the cost, I'm like, okay, cool. Now we can talk. So I'm interested and I know I can afford it. So now let's do it. If I hadn't known the cost and I hear all the good things, I may be, enticed by that and maybe go borrowing or, feel sad I'm not able to get it and so on and so forth. But if right from the onset, the main thing is that the payment and I know it's going to cost this and I have it, then I say, I'm not going to waste your time. I don't have the money, go look for your next client, something like that. So it's very, very important that we always find a price and then we pay it. If you pay the price now, you will be able to play later. But if you play with the price now, you will have to pay later. Whichever way, there is supposed to be a kind of payment. And I want to pay the price now so I can enjoy later. Well, in life, there are two things that are important. One is the fact that you are alive. Number two is that you are in a good mood and you are ready to face the day. And even if it is full of atrocities, you are wired to get solution. So until we come to you again next week, I am Dr. Abed Kitcher, and this has been your favorite program, Today's Family. Today's Family is here to help you grow, help you know how to live life practically. And the nuggets we share here are very important. I look forward to seeing you in the next week. And before then, remember, you are born for greatness. Take care of yourselves, and we'll talk again later. Bye-bye.